Hello, darling. I appreciate your time. I'm Mama T's kitchen. Please, let's cook crab free okra stew. Crab free okra stew. There. We put saucepan on fire, pour in our red palm oil with some sliced onion, and then our xylopia, that's our herb spice. It's very simple and easy to cook. Please subscribe to Mama T's kitchen and help me share the video. We add in our blended vegetables. And stir it together. Please always remember to boil your fresh tomato before using it for any okra dish. It helps to make it very slimy without adding any artificial adjectives. You'll get your okra very slimy without any artificial adjectives. Then we add in our boiled meat and dry fish, also our herb spice, which is tetrapia precase. We add it to it as well and leave it to steam. Leave it to steam for a while before we add in our oil fish. That's our smoked salmon. Please help me subscribe and share the videos. I've boiled the water, so I'm adding to it the okra. I'm adding to it the fresh okra just for 30 seconds. You don't overboil your okra so you can get it slimy. Just for 30 seconds. Always remember to boil your okra for just 30 seconds. Don't let it be overcooked. Then we add it to our stew. Already the gravy for the okra is set, so we add our okra to it and look at it. It looks very slimy. Very slimy. It's simple and easy to make and very nutritious as well. Okra is good for the eyesight. Okra is very nutritious for our eyesight. This is it. It's served with banku. It's nutritious and easy to make. Please share the video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Mama T's Kitchen, darling. Bye bye.